Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be, will he or she call you or text you? Will they call you or text you? This is the topic we are going to do today. I have posted a poll in my community section and many of you chose this topic. Will they call or text? So today I'm going to do this video, and next video was voted by many of you is, should we wait or move on? That will be my next video. Okay, because that also many people has voted, so I have to consider that also. So today's topic is, will they call or text you? Okay, so let us start the reading. But before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly helping me, motivating me, supporting me to do more and more videos on regular basis. Thank you for that. Thank you for my old subscribers, and welcome to new subscribers also. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like the content which I am posting for you. Okay, please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. Please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. So without wasting much time, let us start the reading. Will they call you or text you? Whoever chose this red heart, this reading is for you. Will they call or text you? Let us see. So there is no contact situation. You don't know how they are feeling, what they are doing. So you are waiting for their call or message, and you want to know, you want to ask spirits and angels, will they call or text? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Will they call or text? Will they call or text my pile number 1 people? Whoever is there on their mind, will they call or text them? Will they communicate? Will they contact them? Please give us some guidance and clarity. 4 of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, the Magician, Justice, King of Cups, 3 of Wands, and bottom of the deck we have 8 of Wands. So I don't think I need to do this reading anymore, because you all know what is the meaning of this 8 of Wands. Okay, but first of all, let me tell you the signs which I can see here. I can see Libra, and I can see Sagittarius. I can see Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. These are all the signs I can see here. This is a very positive reading, I can say. So definitely they will contact you, they will call you, or they will text you. This will be a passionate communication, because 8 of Wands is considered as a passionate communication, or they are very attracted towards you. So they are not able to wait. Okay, so they are not able to wait to call you or text you, because they are very much attracted towards you, passionate towards you. They want to get you. Okay, so that is the reason 8 of Wands is there. So that is absolutely yes, they will definitely contact you. So coming to their nature, they are a little bit introvert. They don't know how to communicate, or they don't express their feelings. They mask their feelings. They don't show you their true feelings, how they are feeling, what they are expecting from you. Nothing they will tell. Okay, everything they will be asking you only. They will gather the information about you, but still they won't say a single word about them. That is their nature. So introvert nature, but they are very very mm, abundant, I can say. They are rich, they are they have everything in their life, but they are trying to manifest you. And for some of you, King of Pentacles means it is kind of a married person. For some of you, this person might be married. That is the reason there is a clash between your uh, feelings, like whether to proceed ahead with this person or not. For some of you, it is not for everybody, this is general reading, please note that. Okay, for some of you this person is already married, so that is the reason they are not able to proceed with you, but definitely they are not able to control their emotions and they will contact you with 8 of Wands. So there is a justice, that means this person may be going through a divorce legal battle. Maybe they are in a verge of separating from their spouse, for some of you. So because justice is both the marriage card and divorce card also, so they are into that verge of separating. Okay, so they definitely, they after they complete everything they will come to you, but before that they will just try to see how you are feeling. So for that reason they will definitely call or text you. They are feeling that you are their soulmate, and they have to be together with you, and they are trying to manifest you. They will, they are trying to get you with magic, or with anything, whatever they have to do to get you, they are ready to do it for you. Maybe they'll trick you, maybe it is a wrong method, maybe it is a wrong way of getting you, but still they want to get your attention. But for some of you, I feel that this person may be posting false information, like they are getting married to another person, or they are dating somebody else. So definitely they are showing that kind of negative or false information in social media, so that you will be worried, or you will communicate with them, you will call them. So like that they were expecting till now, but now definitely, because you are not contacting them, they are forcefully they will contact you. And this contact will be kind of a hi bye or little friendly talk. How are you, what are you doing, do you miss me? This kind of a communication it will be there. First they will text you, hi, how are you? Then after that they will call you. But once they are out of this whatever the relationship they are going through right now, after that they will definitely come to you to meet personally. Then they want to get you, and I can't see any marriage card as such, but justice sometimes acts as a marriage card also. So they have the feelings of marriage, they want to give you the stability, because even King of Pentacles is a very very stable person. They are not kind of a flirty natured person. Whatever they do, they will do genuinely, honestly. They are trustworthy person, they are very very stable in their emotions. So this person is not playing with you anymore. Maybe you are asking about two people. I can see King of Cups also, King of Pentacles also. Maybe you will be getting the communication from two people. Maybe one is your ex or one is your lover. So maybe you will get the conversation communication from both of them, because King of Cups is there, who is very very um, loving, caring, nurturing, motherly kind of a person, who is very sensitive. They are ready to offer their cup of love to you. And the other person, they want to give you their pentacles. That means they want to give you an offer, stable offer of money, or some business offer, or a finance project, something or the other. So both of them will be communicating, and they will be coming towards you. And I can see they are like waiting. 3 of Wands is there, this might be long distance relationship also. There are different messages I'm getting from. So maybe you are already married, some of you, and you are waiting for the divorce from your ex, and that person will miraculously they will contact you, magically they will contact you. And one other person, you love them so much, they love you so much, so they will also communicate with you. I can see two people here, and two connections here. So one is kind of a ex or a spouse, and other one is a like your lover. And please take it however it resonates, guys, because I'm getting so many messages, because two kings are there, then justice card is there, magician card is there. Magician card definitely tells that they are trying to manifest you back into their life. Whoever it is you are asking about, definitely they are trying to manifest you back into their life, that is for sure. Okay, So they are waiting for you, they are turning their back because they are not ready to express their feelings. They are feeling little for some of you I feel that they are feeling sorry for whatever they have done to you, whatever the situation they put you in. For some people they might say sorry also, they might start the conversation with sorry also. Okay, for some of you, so definitely they are waiting for you, they have waited enough for you to contact them, but you didn't contact them. Because of that they are forced to contact you. So let us pull one guidance card from spirits and angels. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Will they call or text my pile number 1 people? Please give us one summation card or guidance card, please. One advice from you, Archangel Michael. Okay, the Fool. So universe is saying that definitely you should take a chance with this person. You can take a leap of faith, or you can take a risk, because maybe you might be thinking, should I communicate with this person again if they come back? Okay, so you are thinking that oh, okay, should I move ahead or not, should I respond to this person or not? Because after a long time, maybe few months or years, they are contacting you, so you are little hesitant. But universe is saying that you can take a leap of faith. Everything you leave to the universe, universe will take care. So whatever you feel like you can do it, you can respond to that person. First of all, just check the waters, like how they are, what they are up to. So you have to be quiet and you have to grasp the information, gather the information from them. So rest of all, leave on God or universe, they will take care. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 1. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this green heart, this reading is for you. Will they call or text you? Okay, so this is my pile number 2. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Will they call or text my pile number 2? Will they call or text my pile number 2? So cards are flying. So maybe definitely they want to communicate with you. They want to say so many things to you. Will they call or text you? Will they call or text my pile number 2? Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. We have already 2 cards here. Let me take out those cards. King of Cups, the Magician. One card fell down, that is 7 of Pentacles. Let me pull some more cards for you. Knight of Cups, the Devil, 6 of Wands, and bottom of the deck we have 8 of Pentacles. Okay, so the signs I can see here are Sagittarius, then I can see Scorpio, I can see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, then very few of you will have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, your person, and many of you will have the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, I can see Capricorn here, sorry, it's not Scorpio actually. Knight of Cups also considered as sometimes a Scorpio, then Capricorn, then Sagittarius, then I can see, yeah, that's all, those are the signs I can see. So this person definitely they feel as you are their soulmate, there is no doubt about it. You are their soulmate, and they are manifesting you back in their life. Maybe they are doing some candle magics, or law of attraction they are following, or they are doing meditating and trying to communicate telepathically. So they are working hard on this connection or something else right now. Okay, so 8 of Pentacles, 8 is a kind of a very positive number, I can say. It is a manifesting something. Okay, number 8 is a kind of manifesting money, or manifesting whatever you want in your life. Okay, so number 8 is very positive. So they are working on something right now, working on their finances, or working on their business or job or something. So till now they didn't contact you because of that, because they have maybe some of them started a new job, some of them started a new business. So they are hard working day and night, they are working on that project or the on the business. Okay, so they are busy in that, so till now they did not contact you. But they are having lot of emotions for you. King of Cups is there. King of Cups means they have lot of feelings, emotions, memories. They are very vulnerable with you, not with anybody, but they are very very vulnerable with you. They are kind of in a king position, they have everything in their life. They are abundant, they are well built, they are attractive. So they have all these qualities in them. Okay, so they are trying to manifest you back, they are doing lot of things. They maybe by trick or magic, somehow they want to get you back. Okay, that is what they are doing right now. Sometimes it can be good also, sometimes it can be bad also, because it is paired up with the devil. Okay, so devil means they want you back. Okay, like it is either good also or bad also. Somehow they might trick you, they might tell you some stories or something like that, or they may try to contact you through other friends or something like that, because they are very obsessed with you. They are not able to forget you. Whatever happened between you, whatever happened in the past, they are not able to forget. They are not able to sleep at night because of you. Maybe they are addicted to drinking, smoking, or drugs, or whatever it is. So they are very much addicted. This relationship, this connection, I can see it is very addictive. Maybe you are addicted to that person, or that person is addicted to you. You both are like chained to each other, even though you both are not talking, not communicating. But in dreams you will have this person, or they are dreaming about you passionately. So this is devil, is that kind of an energy I'm getting. But this person is very patiently waiting for the right time, because 7 of pentacles is there. So they feel that they have put sow the seed, and they are waiting for it to reap, or they are waiting for the outcome. Slowly their feelings are getting more and more towards you. That is the reason they want to take an action. Knight of Cups. Okay, Knight of Cups means it is an action card. Definitely they will contact you, but they won't contact like through call or text. Directly they will come to you. So for this file, whoever chose this green heart, so this person will come to you directly. This might be a long distance relationship, so they will definitely try to travel and come towards you, because it is a Knight of Cups is an action card. So but they might not call or text. Maybe for some of you, you might have blocked each other because of the devil energy. I'm getting negative energy. That means you had a fight or a quarrel, or misunderstanding. So you have blocked, or they have blocked you for some or the other reason. So that is the reason they don't want to call or text, but they want to come to you directly, because they want to have the victory in this connection. So this is Six of Wands is kind of a conquering, like they want to conquer you in their life. They want to win you back. It is kind of a prideful energy. They are very egotistical, prideful. So they feel that how dare she or he can reject me. So they are feeling rejected, they are feeling neglected, they are feeling abandoned. I think I am pronouncing it correctly. So they are feeling left out, left alone. Okay, left out in the cold. They are feeling like that. So they have taken it into their heart. They feel that how the other person can neglect me, or how they cannot communicate to me. If I have so many feelings, other person also should have so many feelings towards me. How they are not able, not contacting me. So that they have taken it as a prestige issue or something. Ego, it hurts their ego. So that is the reason they want to have the victory in this connection. So they might come to you. This is kind of an engagement card, celebration card also. So they might come to you directly, they might meet you, and they might bring their family towards you for the engagement, or to make this connection official. Okay, so that is what I'm getting for pile 2. Very good reading, positive reading, congratulations. So let me pull one guidance card or one summation card for this reading. Fritz and angels, what guidance card or what advice card you want to give to my pile 2 people? Please give some guidance and clarity. Okay, the world. Okay, so as I told you already, this might be a long distance relationship. So they want to come towards you. They will come unexpectedly, but once they end one cycle, then only they will come to you. So, or you have completed one cycle with this person. Maybe this cycle will end now. This no contact zone or no communication zone, this will end now, and you will enter into the new world. Okay, so this person is feeling you as their world, and this is a travel card also. Definitely they will travel and come towards you, and they want to offer their world to you. They are feeling you are their world. You are on their mind continuously, that I can see. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this yellow heart, this reading is for you. Will they call or text you? Will they call or text you for my pile number 3? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Will they call or text you? My pile number 3 people. So whoever it is you are thinking about, we will ask spirits and angels, will they call or text you? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Archangel Michael, please give some guidance and clarity. Okay, I cannot take more cards. Okay, these many cards I don't want. Okay, 7 of swords. First we have 9 of pentacles, 9 of cups and 7 of swords. Strength. King of cups. King of cups is there in all the readings. Magician is also there in all the readings. Okay, bottom of the deck we have this 4 of swords. Okay, first of all let me tell you the signs here. I can see Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, then I can see Sagittarius, and I can see Leo, I can see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and I can see the fixed signs Taurus, Leo, Aquarius and Scorpio. I can see Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn also. Very few of you will have. Okay, so what I can see here is this person is you both actually. You both are very, very independent, freedom lover. You both are like power couple kind of thing. Like you are very strong and even the other person is very, very strong. Okay, so they are feeling that you are their wish fulfillment. They are praying God to reconcile with you for whatever the reason is. You both got separated, so this person is folding their hands and praying God that you should come back into their life. So whatever happened between you, there are a lot of swords, a lot of fights, lot of disagreements, then lot of things happened between you in the past. So they want you back. They are manifesting you back because of the magician also. So they are by tricking you or doing anything, they want you back. Okay, so they might do something negative also to get you. That kind of manifestation they are doing. And you both are soulmates. What they feel is you both are soulmates, And even then this fellow has some flirty nature. They are very very busy with other people. They're always they are never idle, I can say. They are always being with friends and people. And flirting is not very bad, like they are lies, actually they tell so many lies. That is what is the main problem with you both. So you both have this fight or misunderstanding because of their lies, okay? Because they are in Seven of Swords, if you can see, they are taking lot of swords and going away with a smile, okay? So that means they are telling lies and they are not faithful or truthful to you. That is the reason you both are not talking to each other, or you both got separated. So even though this person is trying to move on in their life, they are not able to move on. Still they are looking at the back because the past is so heavy on them. Your memories are so heavy on them because they feel that you are the soulmate, and they have lot of love for you. It is not that they don't have love for you. They have lot of love for you. They have lot of feelings towards you. They are sensitive, vulnerable with you. And they are keeping up a lot of strength in this connection. They are feeling that no, one day or the other we will be together. They are keeping up lot of strength, lot of faith in the universe that you will be together. They are trying to manifest, but I can't see any sign of they will contact you, they will call you, or they will text you. Because this person is little bit very stubborn, I can see. And because of the past, maybe because of the society or their family, they are not able to communicate with you. Or maybe because of their pride and ego, they are not able to communicate with you. But I can't see any card here that they will communicate with you, or they will call you, or they will text you, or they will come towards you. No card is there to indicate that. So this person might be doing lot of manifestation, lot of praying prayers they are doing, but still they are not ready to talk to you, not ready to text you. They are not ready to communicate as of now. Maybe the energies will change later, but they are enjoying their freedom, I can say that. Maybe for some of you this is your wife or a husband. So they are enjoying their freedom, they are enjoying their independence without any responsibilities. They are flirting with people, they are enjoying, but at the same time they want you back because you are their soulmate, you are the partner. That much is sure that they feel. But the thing is, they are not ready to communicate with you right now, okay? Let us pull one guidance card from spirits and angels. Please give us some one card of summation or one card of advice or guidance. Please give us one card. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, so the Fool. So universe is saying that if that other person is not contacting you, maybe you can contact them, because the Fool card is kind of a take risk or take leap of faith. Maybe you can try to communicate with them. Maybe you can just try and test how they are feeling, what they are thinking right now. Maybe you can try. So that is what universe is saying. Leave everything on the universe, then they will take care. God or universe will take care. So maybe because this person is 100%, they have lot of feelings for you, lot of manifestation prayers are happening. So maybe you can take one step forward. That is what universe is saying. Take a risk or take a leap of faith, like a fool, then everything will fall in place. That is what universe is saying. Then this infinity symbol is there 3 times. That means you both are soulmates and you both are made for each other. That's all I have for you, pile number 3. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.